In this video, I will show you how to create clickable mentions in an embed or a component message, whether it's a channel, role, user, emoji, or anything. Firstly, make sure you have enabled developer mode. To do that, click on User Settings, then go to the Developer option and toggle Developer mode. For a text channel, use a hash sign and mention the channel name. Now, at the start of the channel name, add a backslash and then send the message. You can copy this channel ID format and use it in your embeds or a component message. For a voice channel, use a hash sign followed by an exclamation mark. You will see all the voice channels in your server. Select the voice channel, add a backslash at the start of the channel name, and then send the message. Use the @ symbol to mention a role. Add a backslash at the start, and then send the message. Use the @ symbol to mention a user. Add a backslash at the start, and then send the message. For a normal keyboard emoji, you can go to the emoji panel and select the emoji. Now, copy this same emoji without any formatting and use it in your embedded messages. For a custom emoji, you can go to the emoji panel and select the emoji. Add a backslash at the start of the emoji and then send the message. For /commands, find the command you would like to mention. Right-click on the area where you can see the description about the command and copy the ID. Type the less than symbol and the greater than symbol. Use a / and write the command name. Add a colon and paste the command ID that we have copied earlier. As you can see, this /command is now clickable. If you are using the onboarding feature, then you will see a server guide section, channels and roles section, and browse channels section. You can mention all three of these options in your embedded messages. To do that, type a hashtag sign followed by an exclamation mark and select the server guide option. You can follow the same format to get the ID for the other two options. This is how we can create clickable mentions in an embed or a component message. Alternatively, you can mention channels, roles, and users with the help of an ID. To get the channel ID, right-click on the channel and copy the channel ID. Follow the same steps for a voice channel. To get the role ID, go to Server Settings, Roles. Select a particular role, right-click, and copy the role ID. For user mention, right-click on the user and copy the user ID. If you would like to watch more such useful content, then subscribe.